So, hey guys, we're here again another Sunday for the chart breakdown. So this week or this Sunday, I've setups for Australian USD, CHFJPY, CADJPY, EURCAD, Euro New Zealand, Euro USD, GBP JPY, GBP New Zealand, New Zealand USD, USD CHF, USD JPY, and BTC USD. There goes. First up is Australian USD. So we're currently looking at the monthly chart for Australian USD, and just pretty basic structure. Trend line going down. So take a closer look. This is the weekly. Trend line, nothing too serious. Really, H4. So we're seeing the trend line right here. This one is far away from price action, so we can basically ignore this one for now. So if you should take a closer look, this is the hourly of the Australian, right? I know many of you guys would actually draw this trend line right here, and well, it would be, for me, yes, it would be safe to call this a triangle, right? But yeah, because a triangle for me, at least one of the side must be a correct trend line, and in this case this one is, right? So for me personally, I'll be looking for a break of let me put it in a break of this area. So if I get a strong break above here or a strong break below here, I would actually sell it or buy it, depending on which strong break of zone direction. Yeah, so we're basically waiting for a strong break of this zone. And for those who want to know what a strong break is, they can make reference to my ebook. Yeah, so strong break of this year, and you should be off to the races. So that's it for Australian USD. Up next is Swiss JPY. And it's funny because this was on last week's setup, but so let me go again from, and please ignore this for now. Our monthly, nothing too serious. Daily, all right. So we have a valid trend line here, and that's it. What price is in here? So we'd have to go down a little bit lower to be able to tell the direction of the market. All right, so this was from last week's. Watch this. We were actually waiting for a break of this zone, a strong break of this zone, and we didn't get a break. We got a bullish candle that closed right on the tip of the zone, right? So no one should have taken this trade, but maybe if they were using pending orders, but you should have taken this trade because this wasn't a strong break, right? So now I still believe in this. So this is, I'm still watching this for this week. So this is Swiss JPY. I'm looking for a strong break of this zone. So a strong break above here, I would buy. Or a strong break below this point, I would sell. So that's it for Swiss JPY. Up next, CAD JPY. As usual, we start from the monthly time frame. Monthly. So we see from the monthly time frame, we can see basically the market is in a downward trend. Weekly, same downward trend. But we can now price, we have price struggling in this year because we can notice, as we can see here, we have support, 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 support. So it is still, price is still within this strong support here. So let us see, let's go down a little further. So it's daily, nothing too serious. Price approaching the daily trend line. Maybe it will find some resistance. Nothing too serious. 8-4. All right, so guys, I want you to pay attention to this trend line, right? You notice I have trend line connected to this point and not this point right here, because these are the two valid points, point A, point 1, point 2, right? So, and for me, I wouldn't necessarily trade the break of this trend line, as I said last week, because of this space right here, because I'm not sure if prices actually will be in this trend line, or just coincidence, right? But if the market had done this, like went up here and then came back here, then went up, then yeah, I would probably sell the break of this trend line. All right, guys. So 8-4, not too nothing too impressive right here. 8-1. All right. So 8-1. Let's see the market. Made a high right here. Came down here and then made another high. So we have a valid trend line right here. And now we can see market is making another bullish surge. This is it found support right here, and it's going up. But for me, I would actually be looking for I'm actually a fan of this zone right here. So I would actually be looking for a strong break. Strong break of this zone to either side. Would I be bullish or bearish? Again, I'm looking for a strong break of this high or a strong break of this low right here. So strong break above here and I will buy, strong break below here I will sell. So that's it for CAD JPY. Up next, EURCAD. All right, so let's start from the monthly. Yeah, market is basically trending bullish based on the monthly. So up, down, up, down, up, down. So it's quite possible that we probably get another bullish surge, but this is the market. Anything goes, all right. Remember we were actually watching this trend line from last week, right? So actually, looking out for a break of this trend line, and I would actually sell this, right? If I get the break that I am looking for, not just any random break and wicks or stuff like that. So we go down to the weekly. So based on the weekly, we're getting a bullish. Market is basically bearish on the weekly, going down, 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 down. Daily still bearish. Nothing too critical here. 8-4 now. Let us check all the trend lines, right? So trend line valid, and I know most of you guys would actually draw a trend line like this. But remember, this point would be valid because first you'd have to make a lower low for this point to be valid. So as is now, that is the correct point. And I'm not too interested in this trend line now because price. I have a new trend line that I'm watching, which is on the lower time frame, which is the hourly. Yeah, we're seeing bearish movement. So from this setup was from last week. We're actually looking for a strong break of this zone, and we didn't get it, but price went down. For me, this wasn't a lost opportunity, but because I wasn't too impressed with this movement, because I see the market moving. Market could possibly just be consolidating in here. So for me, for this week, the only adjustment would be here. So I'm still looking for a break, waiting for a break of this one. If I get a strong break of above this point, I will buy. Strong break below this point, and I'll sell. All right, so strong break above, strong break of zone to either side. Is it conking? Is it conking? Was it when I let my split?